In this video, we will be going over episode 4 of Beat the Fed. This is the Great Recession from 2008 to 2011. The player's screen is the same as before. At the bottom, we have our monetary policy slider. At the top, we have our VIP. Under our government controls, we also have capital, where we can pass legislation. And later in the episode, we will have treasury. In September of 2008, we now have access to quantitative easing on the right and our treasury controls. Here we can control specific bailouts for various industries. Throughout the episode, we can change our levels of quantitative easing, and we can change our bailout sliders for each industry. In the bottom left, we can click this little check mark to show historical data. At the end of the episode, we will see how many stars we received. We can view our bonuses. We can compare our performance to historical data. And we can check on the leaderboards.